Craving something light and delicious? These fluffy Khaman Dhoklas never disappoint. This is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon, powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. To make our Khaman Dhoklas, I've got Besan ka atta or chane ka atta in a bowl. To this, I'm going to add in some curd, lime juice, ginger garlic paste, some oil, salt, and last some water. I'm going to mix this well. I'm using a whisk to ensure there are no lumps. Next, I'm putting in soda by Carb, and I'll mix this well and allow it to become double in size. My batter has become double in size. Immediately, I will transfer this to a greased tray. I'm going to put this in my prepared steamer and steam this for 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure your steamer has been turned on before and it's very well heated up so that your dhoklas come out well. My dhoklas are ready. The best way to check this is put in a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, your dhoklas are ready. I'll allow the dhokla to cool for a bit before cutting it. While the dhokla is cooling, I'm preparing my tempering. For the tempering, I have some oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add in jeera and rye and allow this to splutter. I'm going to add in a pinch of Vandevi Hing, curry leaves, sesame seed, and green chillies. To this, I'm going to add in some water and sugar and allow this to cook for a few minutes. I'm going to cut my dhoklas. Top with the tempering, ensuring that every piece of dhokla has been coated by it. These are served garnished with fresh coriander leaves and some freshly grated coconut.